guys, and welcome back to my channel. Guys, I just wanted to share with you guys my experience. Guys, this was like my first time ever like doing a wax at home, but by me using this wax kit, I can definitely say that I was very happy and I was very impressed. Was it painful? It wasn't that it was painful. It's like the beginning portion, like the beginning part where you're getting ready to, like, you know, so you can flip the tab or flip the wax so you can get ready to pull it off. I feel like that part hurts worse, but the minute you pull it, it doesn't hurt that bad. And I definitely love that because don't nobody want to go through all that. But guys, I can definitely say that this wax kit is easy, especially for beginner users like me, especially if you never waxed on your own. But the temperature, I didn't even really check like how high the temperature can go, but like I said, when I was melting the wax, I put it at 200. When it got halfway melted and a lot of the beads were beginning to melt, I put it at 175, 150. I'll play in between 175 and 150, but I started to realize that if I leave it around like 165, 170 is perfect. It may be a little bit hot for you guys, but you guys test it out. And also there is a there is a little 5% code that I want to share with you guys. I'll put it down in the description box, so make sure to take a look at that if any of you guys are interested in trying to purchase this wax kit. Yes, it was given to me, and I must say I'm so thankful, because to be honest guys, I really wanted to purchase a wax kit, especially during this time. I just didn't feel comfortable, or I don't feel comfortable right now to actually go into somebody's shop or go into somebody's whatever it's called and actually get waxed, you know what I mean? And what I love about this, and I'm not saying I love it just because they handed it to me, it's because, like, guys, I really wanted a wax kit, and guys, like, out of nowhere, it's like they reached out, and I'm so thankful. But I definitely I'm definitely happy. I tried it on my husband because he has more hair than me, obviously. And one thing I can say, like, my hair, when it pertains to my legs and my under armpits, you know, I don't really grow that much hair like that. Like, my sister and my mom, they definitely do not grow hair on their legs, like, extremely blessed of the blessed. Like, they never had to buy a razor or stuff like that. They never really had to shave. It was me, but I can go literally like 5 to 6 months throughout a year and not shave. As I mentioned before, I will share a 5% discount link with you guys. And as you guys can see from the wax kit, it has like everything. Like, it includes the warmer wax and all different type of accessories. And it does not irritate your skin, so make sure before you do use it, make sure you do like a test run, because my skin is totally different from your skin. But just to be safe, do a test, like a test spot. I didn't get no irritation. They did say it's safe for bikini, face, armpits, legs, arms, hands, and toes. It has a reliable digital temperature display, and it will not burn you, but still, you don't want to just put it on 200 degrees and then all of a sudden like wax it, like, you know, put the wax on you. Like, that's crazy. Like, you know what I mean? That is crazy. And yes, it is definitely easy to clean. Guys, if you guys are interested, like I said, I will put a link down in the description box. And this is beginner friendly. Of course, read the instructions, because I kind of read the instructions like 3 or 4 times before I even actually took it into consideration to go put some wax on me. I feel like I keep spitting, but yeah, but you know, the girl gotta do what a girl gotta do. I gotta look good for babe to feel bad. Yes, but I don't know, I feel good. Like, I don't know, I guess I feel good because I did all that waxing, you know what I mean? Like, you feel free when you can get rid of all that hair. That hair kind of weighed you down, and now that hair is gone, it's like you feel free. So you know, sis finna go hit up babe finna go hit up sis. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, and I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you. God bless you. Take care of yourself. Stay safe, and always try to stay positive. Like, stay positive, you know what I mean? Stay positive, and don't let nobody or nothing or no one, whatever the case may be, whatever situation you placed in, don't let nobody tear you down. Okay, don't let nobody tear you down, ever. Okay, peace. Bye.